All right, guys, we're on the second job of the day in Troy, Illinois. Not too bad out here. It's getting a little nice. We are doing 6 area of a carpet, and we're doing a sectional with an ottoman. And we got Bridget setting up now, and we're gonna Scotch guard protect the carpeting and the sectional as well, and treat 3 areas of pet treatment. And then they'll be good to go. Make their carpet hygienic and clean, as well as their upholstery. They are excited, and they're looking forward to starting out the new year fresh, guys. 2025. Can you believe it? But that's what we're doing. Stay tuned for the results. And as always, thanks for watching. Ayo, let's go. All right, guys, we're pre-treating now. Nice. Stay tuned. All right, guys, again, to recap, this is a maintenance clean. Carpet's a few years old, not too bad. They're just maintaining the carpet, and their son just moved out of the room, and the little spot here we're going to take care of. And of course, we always test for urine, so you can just see that there. See if the camera picks that up. Let me show you. See that there? That's urine. So we're going to treat that as well. See that? So that's what we're going to take care of. And of course, we have a couple of spots upstairs as well that we're going to treat and get that emulsified and back to original state. So a little education there, a little tip of the day. And this is a nice little carpet here. Even though it's still a polyester, we're still going to take care of it and keep it hygienic and also clean. So if you have this kind of carpet, give us a call. Again, this is a maintenance clean. There's typically 3 types of cleaning. There's maintenance, there's warranty, and there's restorative. In this case, it's maintaining. So and also warranty as well, so they keep their warranty valid. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. And again, another little tip today as well. If you have a surface cleaner or you have like a rug doctor, those are good for like light spills, things like that. But it does not substitute for a deep cleaning. Okay, a lot of times the manufacturer or the carpet mill, to keep your warranty valid, they do require you get your carpets cleaned by a certified professional, like similar to us, which is IICRC certified. And that way keeps your warranty valid. Okay, on terms and conditions on the back, every 12 to 18 months, that's when you're supposed to get it clean. Okay, and if you don't, if you do yourself, you do void your warranty. So little tip of the day, little FYI. So make sure when you get new carpeting, you follow up with a good maintenance plan with your service provider, whether it's our company if you're local or one in your area, depending on where you live, and that's going to serve you well in the future. Hope that helps. As always, reach out if you have any questions, and don't forget to follow, hit the bell. Thanks for watching. This is the power of our chemistry. See how it's lit up there? That's that urine contamination. See that? And I'm going to spray my product on there. I've already sprayed that area. See, because I was already gone. But I'm going to show you guys something. Watch. See how I have it right there? See that? Watch this. I'm going to spray my proprietary product on there. Let that emulsify. It's going to eat that paste and turn it back to a liquid, okay? And I'm going to let that kind of dwell a little bit. Now watch this. See that? See how it's gone? See that? That's why you hire a company like us, like AOCleaning. We can safely, effectively remove that urine and get it back to original state. All right, guys, a little update. We already got this agitated with our CRB, and we're letting the product dwell and emulsify. So, number one, the treatment works, and also the soil can be suspended. That's why it's important to hire a professional like AOCleaning, because we can effectively get it emulsified the right way and safely with biodegradable cleaning agents, safe for you, your family, and your loved ones. Looking good, guys. We're gonna do the steps by hand, and after this, we're gonna do their upholstery. They have a sectional with the ottoman we're gonna take care of, and then after we clean it, we're gonna protect it. So they got hardwood in there, so don't worry about that. But yeah, guys, it's supposed to be freezing on Monday. We're supposed to get ice and snow, so we're trying to accommodate all our clients before that time. And actually, I have a job scheduled for Tuesday. I'm going to try to move them back for tomorrow. I normally don't work a Saturday, but I'm going to do it in this case because, you can't control the weather. So we're going to try to get that done for them tomorrow. And that's located in Columbia, Illinois, so we're going to take care of that as well. We had another job in St. Louis as well. some upholstery and some tile and grout cleaning and sealing for next week as well. Hopefully the weather's not too bad. We can help her as well. Another repeat client. So yeah, that's what we do, guys. In the Midwest, St. Louis area, we got you covered. All right. Got Bridget to take care of that. Now you guys remember how good this was, guys. We haven't cleaned it yet, steamed it out yet. Remember the air over here? Remember the air I showed you? If you guys can wind it back, it's already emulsifying and looking good. Nice. And of course, that urine that we spotted, that urine is gone. That's the power of our chemistry. That's proprietary to us. And yeah, she's gonna love it. We're gonna continue agitating these fibers, and then we're going to steam it out. Another happy client. Hey, let's go.